dans tout Paris. Je m'abandonne et je m'envole, vol, 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 vol. Que d'espérance remue le ciel, le jour, la nuit. Je danse avec le vent, la pluie. Un peu d'amour, un brin de miel. Et je danse, 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 danse. Et dans le bruit, je cours et j'ai peur. Laisse mon tour, bien là, douleur. Dans tout Paris, je m'abandonne et je m'envole, vol, 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 vol.
First attempt ever trying to land from way up high without. I'm probably gonna go very long because I'm scared of those power lines. And I'm not very good at this. So bear with me. I'll probably have to walk a mile. I don't even have a truck out tonight. Pretty cool though, flying around with no. It's just quiet. I like it. Probably should have hung my throttle up, but I might need that throttle, so. Woo! Dude, this is just stupid. This is the dumbest thing ever. Alright, let's try to land this son of a bitch. Oh yeah, we're swooping, baby. Oh, you stupid wing, you got too fast for me. Well, that was something new. That was fun. The wind is, you see that sock? It's just, the wind is doing some weird stuff. It is wonky. And it's supposed to be no wind tonight. But there's some wind. It's just not, I don't know. I just landed early because it felt weird. Just getting some updrafts and some, I don't know what it was, but it was cool to get a quick flight in, and now I get to walk a mile. I don't even know if my camera's still on, but that's all good. That was crazy. I turned the motor off at like, I don't know, 500 feet, maybe 800, I don't even know what altitude I was at. And that's pretty accurate, really. I'd like to see one of you all try it. You'd be in that tree over there, or probably who knows where. Power lines. But see that thunderhead over there, and there's another one back there, and those big clouds like that, I feel like they make the air do some weird stuff sometimes. And it wasn't dangerous, it just felt like not buttery air. It was a little wishy-washy. So I almost want to go up again and do that landing. You know what? No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten dinner. Nothing. Might as well call it a day. I went swimming. That was nice. And then got to fly and swim the same day. Yeah, it's pretty good. Can't complain. I'm gonna eat a steak here in a minute. Telling you what, life ain't bad sometimes.